Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Citizens Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all your financial documents. Collect your income statements, including paychecks and any additional sources of revenue. Next, list all your monthly expenses. Include fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Then, identify variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Use a budgeting template to organize your information. You can find templates online or use budgeting software. Log into your Citizens Bank account to access financial tools. Citizens Bank offers budgeting tools that can help track your spending. Analyze your current financial situation. Review your income versus expenses to see where you stand. Set clear financial goals for the short and long term. Decide what areas you want to save for, such as an emergency fund or vacation. Create a monthly budget based on your goals and financial situation. Allocate specific amounts to each category of spending. Make sure to include savings as a line item in your budget. Track your spending throughout the month. Use mobile banking or budgeting apps to stay updated. Adjust your budget as necessary based on your spending patterns. At the end of the month, review your budget. Analyze any discrepancies between your budgeted and actual spending. Make notes on areas for improvement. Set reminders to revisit and adjust your budget each month. Stay committed to your financial goals. Regularly consult your Citizens Bank resources for additional tools and advice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.